Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this Cherry Bloom and Grow a Garden game of Roblox Farmers Market update. Okay, before we check the base value of this plant, I'm going to show you guys how you can get the Cherry Bloom seed. If you want to get the seed, you need to join the trader event right here. And wait, let me show you the trade rewards. Okay, and if you want to get the Cherry Bloom seed, you need to have at least streak 25 plus, and you will have chance or possibility to get the seed. And I have already planted this flower in my garden. This is how the Cherry Bloom looks like, and I'm going to check the base value. I'm going to check how much this is worth. And wow, it's around 70k shekels. And I think it's really worth to keep in your garden because look at this, guys. It's beautiful. And this is a mythical plant, if I'm not mistaken. And now you can keep it in your garden. Okay guys, and that's all about the Sherrybloom flower and grow a garden game of Roblox Farmers Market update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!